ALCATEL Pop 4, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the apps icon right here, then choose settings. From the following list, let's choose language and input and tap language from the top of the screen. So here you should find the full list of available languages from the following device. So you can use all of these languages. In my case, let me choose for example Espanol. As you can see right now, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. So if you would like to use Spanish, let's just leave it. If you would like to change it to English, you have to find and select the apps icon right here, then choose ajustes. From the ajustes, let's scroll down and choose idioma y entrada de texto, tap idioma, and let's here choose English from United States, for example. That's it. Right now you can use the English version of your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.